What's up, everyone? I've got something cool to show you today, so let's get into it. First off, the design is clean, modern, and just chef's kiss. It's a vibe. The price? Oh, it's a steal for the quality you're getting. Trust me on this one. And the versatility? Off the charts. Home, office, gift. It's got you covered. Stylish, useful, and dependable. All the juicy details are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more hidden gems. Catch you later.